Hi guys, so today I have a nail art tutorial for you, and it's this camo print nail art. And to do these nails you will need a dotting tool, the smallest you can find. You'll also need some nail art stones, I think they are called. You'll need a green and black nail polish, as well as a white and nude brown nail polish. And the nails that I'm going to do the print is on the nails that I have the cream base on. So I'm starting with the green color, and I am doing random shapes with the green color on my nail. There isn't really a wrong or a right way to do that, so just however you want to. I really like this camo nail art. I think it's really trendy. I don't usually wear camo, but I really like it how it looks on the nails. Next I'm going with the nude brown color, and again I am just doing random shapes on my nail. I am only doing the nail art on two of my nails, just because I think it's a bit overpowering, so I don't want to have this nail art on all of my nails. Now I'm going with the white polish, and same as the other colors, I'm just doing random shapes and trying to fill in the nail as much as possible. And last but not least, I am going to apply the black polish on the camo design, and I am trying not to put too much black because I don't want the black to overpower the other colors. So again, random shapes, and I am looking wherever I have some space left. This is actually a really easy to do design, and you don't need a whole amount of tools or talent to do this. You just do random shapes on your nail. And this is the finished design and how it looks. Next, for my other nails, I have one painted in black and two in the green polish. I am applying these gold round stones, I'm not sure how they are called, and then I am going to apply top coat on all of my nails and some cuticle oil, and this is the finished design. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!